It was unfinished before, and so we really didn't use the space at all. It ended up so bright and light. We went with white paint, and that just really brightened things up. I love all the finishing touches. It's just a really calming place to go to. And now it's really fun because we have a big family, a lot of grandchildren, and when they come and we're up here, we can send them downstairs and it's not quite so noisy for everybody. It's a huge space that my husband goes with grandkids to watch baseball games, football games. So it's just a really nice space, and it's really nice. We have a lot of extended family, so when people come to visit, we can send them down there and they have a little bit of privacy, and they love that. Matt and Joe are really easy to work with. They really responded well to any questions that I had, any concerns, anything that maybe I didn't think was perfect. They made sure that it came back and was perfect. They were just really easy to communicate with, very professional. And in fact, my daughter has a basement she wants to redo, and she's going to contact them because we had such a good experience with them.